Hello everyone and welcome to Canva Beginners to Advanced tutorial. Today is our first class project and let's see today what we are going to learn. The class project is titled as Mastering Canva for Graphics Design. Objective: to familiarize students with the Canva platform and equip them with the skill to create captivating graphic design for various purposes. The first one, Introduction to Canva, Overview and Reach. Getting started with Canva. Navigating the interface. Hands-on design session. Crafting social media post. Advanced design techniques. Harnessing Canva magic tools. Interactive design challenge. Getting QR codes and hyperlinks. So in this session you will be learning these things and I'll be suggesting you to practice these things. So let's go over to the Canva. As I mentioned in our first class that Canva is a graphics designing tool that help us to design different type of graphics, and we can design different type of social media post, also YouTube banner, videos and etc. It is having different scopes where you can just make different type of CVs, different type of edits with your video or with your photos. Let's start with the interface. So here you can see our home button is there on our left side, then Magic Studio, projects, templates, brand, apps, classwork and trash bin. Homes, you will be having all your designs whichever you did before. In Magic Studio you can have the Magic Studio options, different new options, you can just use this one. Then projects, your previous projects will be here. Then if you go to templates, you can have lots of variety of templates. You can use these templates such as business, social media, education, video, marketing, etc. Then here you're having photos. In photo section you can have different type of photos. You can browse these photos and you can just add to your particular design. Icons are here and you can just use different type of icons from here or logos from here. Then creators you follow, which creator you're following you can just see from here, and the trash bin where you are deleting your particular design and it will just get stored there unless and until you are removing from there. Let's go the upper section. Here you can see the Canva logo is here. The design spotlight where you can have different visual documents, photos and videos. Print, marketing, business, you can use as a business, this one. Then education, plan and pricing where you can just buy the particular package of the Canva. Then if you come here, you are having your account option. Here is your account. Then here is a create a design, the notification, settings and download the app on your personal computer. Let's go over to the home section and let's go and see editor panel. There are two editor panels in Canva. One is left editor panel, another one is top editor panel. The left editor panel, also known as the side editor panel, where the option called design is there. You can access the templates, layouts, style from here. Then the next one is elements. From elements, if you search for photos, if you search for shapes, graphics and different other things you can have from here. Then the next one is text. If you want to add any text, then if you just go and click here, you can just add a text. Then the next one is brand. You can customize your own brand. You can just customize your own logo, the theme of your logo or the theme of your brand from here. Here is the upload section. The upload section, you can just upload any images, video or any audio and you can use it. Let's go over to the draw section. You can just draw anything from here. Then the projects, the previous projects you have done will be saved here. The apps, in the apps, whichever app is connected or linked with the Canva, you will be able to find here and you can work with those apps here. If you go down, you can have some shortcuts here also, photos, videos, charts, and then here you can have some apps whichever you are downloading here. Let's go over here. Here is the open menu. If you click here, you can have the create a design home button and whichever design you are doing will be present here, and your previous designs will be here. Let's click on file. If you click on file, you can just rename your particular design. Then you'll have a button called create a new design, import files, settings, then save a folder, make a copy, download, version history, all the comments. If you share with someone, then if you share that one, then you will have this view all comments. Then resize and magic switch. This will help you to translate. You can translate from English to different language or different language to English. Also, you can say educated. Also, you can resize your particular design from here. Just you can click on customize size or default size you can use. Here is the undo button and the redo button. Educated. Here is the undo button and the redo button. So you can use this one. Then here you can just edit your design name. Your profile is here. Then the inside will help you to monitor how many people saw your particular design or click or something. Then send to a teacher. If you are in a class, then you can send to your teacher and they can see this one. And here is the share button. If you click here, the share button will be pop up and you can have the download button, share on social media, share to a teacher. If you click on more, then you can directly share to a social media. So let's go and create a social media post. We'll be creating a social media post for Instagram. So we'll select the Instagram and it will just load a new tab here. So let's go over here and just change the background. We'll change a background and we'll be using this one. Let's resize this one. After resizing, I'll just decrease the transparency and let's add woman here. We'll just add a woman. Let's go over here. Let's go and add this one. So our particular photo is here. Now let's go put something over here. So we'll be creating a photo for Women's Day. So let's write Happy Women's Day. We'll just rearrange this one. We'll change the font style. There are different font styles. So we'll select everything. Let's go over here and let's select a font. We'll be selecting this one. We'll change the color. For this one, we'll keep as brown. Let's add some effects. So like this, you can create your own Instagram post. So let's go over here and click on download and it will be downloaded and then you can just post there. Now let's go over to the next one. Next one, we're going to use the magic eraser or the magic tools we'll be using. So let's select a poster. Then we'll take a photo. Again, let's take a photo. A woman photo only we'll be taking. So let's take first one. This one is a video. Let's take a photo. Let's take this one. The first one I like to use is background remover. I clicked on this one and it just removed the background. Now let's go over here and let's add another photo where I'll be using this photo. So I want to relocate the woman. I'll just use this one, magic grab. I clicked here. The AI just automatically selected the woman and I can just put the woman here like this and done. The next one, I'll use the magic eraser For this one, I'll just select a random photo. This one. Now I want to erase the woman. I'll just go to the edit photo option. Click here. Increase the brush size. Let's select the woman fully. We have to check like we selected the whole thing, which one we want to remove, and then we have to wait for some time. By that time, the photo will be regenerated and you will have the object removed. Now you can see our object is removed. Here some part it's there, so I'll just do once again and the result will be there. Now let's go back and see our particular photo is there. The next one we are going to do is magic expand. So for magic expand, I'll be selecting this photo. I'll align it here. Now let's go and click on edit photo. Select magic expand. Select the free size and let's click on magic expand. It will just take some time to expand, and after that you will have 4 different results with the help of this magic expand, and then you can select one of them which you like. So let's wait for this one. So as you can see, our particular expand is done. Now let's preview each one of them. So I like the second one more, so I'll take this one and then I'll click on done. So our particular photo is done. Let's zoom in and see. Some AI errors are there, but still it's looking good. Let's go back and let's add another one. So like this, you can just do the Magic Studio options and you can explore this one. Now let's go and let's do about the QR codes and the hyperlinks. So for that one, I'll just take a presentation. I'll go over here. It will just take some time. The first one I'll be using as a QR code. Let's go over here to apps. I have to search for QR code. Let's search this one. The first one, we'll click here and write www.google.com. So let's generate this one. So as you can see, our particular QR code is ready. If you click on that, then it will take you directly to Google's website. Now let's add another page. Here we'll be using a template, and we need a template where there is a button present. So let's search for a template where button is there. So let's use this one. Let's use this one. So I'll be using this particular button presented by, so I'll just write here, click here. Click here. Now let's zoom this one. You have to group this one first. So whichever thing you are clicking should take you to the particular link. So let's go over here to more option. Here link is there. Click here and write www.google. So we just add this one. The link has been added. If you click here, it's showing google.com. If I download this one, let's go and download this one to PDF standard. Let's download. It will take some time to download. After downloading, we have to go and click here, and it will just take us to Google. So let's wait. As you can see, I just downloaded this one. Now let's click here. As I clicked here, it just took me to google.com. Like this, you can create your own hyperlink. I hope you all guys understand about this class project. If you are having any doubt, you can just ask us. We'll be able to help you. Till then, take care and goodbye.